Conversations happen to be the life and blood of all our relationships, whether it's personal or professional. In fact, conversations end up being the bridge that connects two people. Go back to looking at relationships in your life and the ones which add a lot of value, which feel good, which are supportive, which are fun and joy, whereas there could be some others which are very, very draining. And you will notice that the fundamental difference between these two types of relationships is the quality of conversations that you are able to enjoy. Because remember, when you're not able to be yourself, when you're not able to really manage conversations well, those relationships can end up becoming very, very difficult. So we are going to be talking in this online session for 2 hours on a lot of amazing psychological insights on conversations, why they turn difficult, and what is it that you can do to manage these challenging conversations in a much, much better way. What this will end up giving you is, of course, a lot of insight. Second is the skills that you very, very importantly need to manage these conversations. And the third thing is that you're going to feel a lot more confidence, a lot more joy, and a sense of peace, whether it is in your personal or your professional relationship. So make sure that you register, because this is truly the best investment that you will make.